Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: VIP sections for your data. Diving into the world of VLANs. Hey network ninjas! Your favorite aspiring data center engineer, that's me, is back. And today we're unlocking a super cool secret sauce of networking: VLANs. Ever wondered how big networks keep things organized and secure? Imagine your data having its own exclusive VIP section. Get ready to dive in. Picture this. You throw a huge party. Everyone's in one giant room, shouting, dancing, maybe even some important conversations getting overheard. That's kinda like a network without VLANs. Every device can see everyone else's basic broadcast chatter. It's a security headache, a performance bottleneck, and frankly, a bit chaotic. We need some order. Here's where VLANs, virtual local area networks, come in to save the day. Think of them as creating invisible walls within your physical network. Instead of one big party, you've got multiple, smaller, private parties happening in the same building, but in separate rooms. Data for one room stays in that room, totally unaware of the others. It's like magic, but it's just clever networking. So, how do switches know which data goes where? It's all thanks to something called tagging. When data leaves a VLAN, a tiny tag, like a special color-coded wristband, is added to it, saying, "Hey, I belong to VLAN 10. Switches then use this tag to make sure that data only goes to ports assigned to VLAN 10. It's a secret handshake that keeps everyone in their proper place. Super smart, right? Okay, so what's in it for us? Tons. First, security. Asterisk, your sensitive server data isn't mingling with guest Wi-Fi traffic. Second, performance. Asterisk, less broadcast traffic for each section means less noise and faster communication. Third, flexibility. Asterisk, you can move devices around physically, but keep them logically in the same VLAN. And finally, organization. It just makes sense. It's like tidying up your digital living room. This isn't just theory, folks. Imagine a company, VLAN 10, employees, access to all the important stuff. VLAN 20, guests, just internet, no internal network access. VLAN 30, IP phones, dedicated for voice traffic, ensures call quality. And asterisk, VLAN 40, IoT devices, your smart lights and thermostats, kept separate from critical systems. Each has its own little world, secure and happy. See how useful that is? While the actual commands vary depending on your switch, the idea is simple. You create a VLAN, e.g., VLAN 10 for marketing. Then, you tell specific ports on your switch, "Hey, you belong to VLAN 10. Boom! Any device connected to those ports is now part of the marketing VIP section. Of course, there's more to it with routing between VLANs, but that's a story for another time. Baby steps. Network friends. Baby steps. So there you have it. VLANs aren't just technical jargon. They're essential tools for building robust, secure, and organized networks. You've just taken a huge step in understanding how data centers keep things humming. Next time, maybe we'll talk about how these separate VLANs do talk to each other. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll catch you on the next network adventure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.